East Harbor State Park Campground.
Sure. I'm setting your destination to East Harbor State Park. In a quarter mile, turn left onto East State Street. This route avoids a road closure on I-76 East. You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 4:50 p.m.
So I find myself doing my job and Ashanti's job because Ashanti took the weekend off. So maybe I should title this vlog Single Man Camps Alone. Now I can't say single because I'm married. Married man camps alone. How y'all like that? I think I like it. Or married man surviving out here camping alone. One of them gonna work. One of them gonna be the title. Welcome to the vlog. Alright guys, this is the first morning camping by myself, and I have to admit I have been enjoying myself. Yesterday I didn't do that much recording when I got in because I had to unload the truck. I had to do everything myself. Do the camper, put everything up back in its place, because the way Shanti keeps the camper, she got all this stuff that she keep in this camper, and you got to put it in its place. So what I really want to do is get rid of all this stuff. It'll make it much easier on me. Anyway, I got my coffee, getting my day started out right. I have already got up and did my morning walk. I did about 1.5 miles. Jennifer and Brian is here. You'll meet them later. Mike and Lauren is here. You'll meet them later. And Brian and Heidi is here. You'll meet them later. So these are some of the people that's at the park. This is Ohio, so every time we go out in Ohio, we know someone that's in Ohio. Anyway, Shanti like to say that I don't cook. I got the new London Sunshine Komodo out. Very nice tabletop grill, easy to cook on, very easy. So this is a Komodo, like we got a Komodo at home, but this is a camping Komodo tabletop. So I will be cooking on this later. But I bought the new TST wheel bike. This is called the Defender. I got this, I'm gonna be riding on today, enjoying the day. So guys, I am at East Harbor State Park, which is located in Ohio. I think we've been here about 3 times at the most. It is a very nice park, a lot of sights. So I'm about to get out here and enjoy this day, ride the new bike, the new TST e-bike. Very nice slick bike, all black, big wheels, big 26-inch rims, display. Tell you more as I ride. My wife always acting like I don't cook or I can't cook. She be really playing me, y'all. She really do. So I am cooking today. I have no choice. I gotta cook. So I'll let her cook, because if she don't cook, there's nothing else for her to do. Because, you know, as far as when it comes to us two, I do all the driving. I do, once we get to the site, the park, I do all the setup. Put the chairs out, decorate the site, make it look glampish, put the grills out. So she got to do her part, and her part is cooking. That ain't too much to ask. But anyway, I'm about to use our new London Sunshine Grill. I am looking forward to it. The food tastes so good coming off this grill. Guys, if you're in the market for a grill, the link gonna be in the description box. But I'm gonna show you the food. I'm making chicken today. Barbecue chicken, that is. I got my favorite sauce. I'm gonna show you this sauce. You're gonna want the sauce yourself, especially you bourbon drinkers. So Ashanti did not come camping today with me because she is at home sick. Yes, from doing all this traveling, as far as going to Alaska, Maine, Ohio, and back up to Pittsburgh. Weather just changing, constant changing weather. She took for sick. With 3 weeks left here in Ohio, we are going to Florida because we got the bash going on. So being that we got the bash going on, it's not wise for us both to be sick or get sick. So someone had to leave the house because I can't stay there with all her germs flying all around the house and get sick also. Hopefully she recovers quick. If I was there, if I was to get sick, we'd just be giving it back and forth to each other. So it's best that I leave. And I like camping. Chicken. So guys, look how watery this is. Juicy this chicken look on this Komodo grill. Shout out to London Sunshine for sending us this grill. Guys, you would love this grill. Inside chicken is cooking a little fast because I got all the charcoal on the inside. I'm gonna move things around. So if you can smell this, guys, you can only smell this. Woo! Woo! So I got the game on. This is a man thing. These are gonna be some hot wings. I'm gonna make them hot wings. As I watch the game tonight, Ohio State play tonight. Fingers crossed, hoping they win. Hoping the Bucks win. So I got the small batch Elijah Craig. Check that out. And you didn't know you can get that. We picked this up at the Bourbon Trail. Never used it, but this is my first time using it and I can't wait. And I saved it for the special occasion when I camp alone. I knew this day would come. So I'm about to put this on the chicken. I'm gonna tell you how this tastes. Voila. This Elijah Craig sauce is pretty good. Shanti couldn't made it no better. So guys, I'm here enjoying my day. And Shanti's such a hater. I sent her a picture of my food on the grill, right? And she gonna respond with a heart and say, I hope you don't get sick. Now, what kind of encouragement is that? Like, great job. She hate for me to cook. She don't want me to cook, guys. I'm telling you, she don't want me to cook because if I cook, that means I do everything. So if you're in the market for a full-size e-bike, this is a nice bike. This is an off-road bike. Front shocks. I really enjoyed my ride on this bike. Beautiful bike. So if you're in the market for an e-bike, check out the description box. This would be in the description box with a promotion code. It's a full-size e-bike. I enjoy riding it. Everybody don't like the folding bikes, and I understand they're smaller bikes to ride, but if you want a full-size bike off-road, here. What's your name of your channel, Heidi?
Living on the Wedge.
Living on the Wedge. We got Roman with the roach. With the roach or with the roaches?
Roman with roach.
With roach.
I'm on Facebook and Instagram.
And we got Mike and Laura. You on Facebook or Instagram, Mike?
I'm on Instagram.
Instagram?
Yeah, Laura's on both.
On both? So we hanging out today, and then the roach. I want to say the roaches is cooking, or do I just say the roach is cooking?
Hey, we're gonna go to Oktoberfest.
So what we got here,
Rented a
Jennifer?
bike from the hotel, rode down there.
We have almonds and wafers, pretzels,
What is that?
schnitzel,
Schnitzel.
chicken schnitzel, pork schnitzel, knackwurst, German beer.
Oh wow.
He's like, and I'm sure you can't do that in America.
So this is Jennifer and Brian's Oktoberfest. Is that what you call it? Oktoberfest?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
A lot of food to eat.
my God.
Smell good.
Hours ago, 312-900-8815. Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. And this game's over. Notre Dame wins it. They didn't make any of them. They didn't make any of them.
And this Ohio State team.
I made it back to the storage. This is where our RV gonna sit for a week until we head out to leave to Florida to go to Champions Run, where we're gonna have the Adventure Bandit Bash, and we are so looking forward to it. When it comes to this week, I have to admit, I did have fun. I know you're probably thinking like he didn't have that much fun without Ashanti, but I do have fun sometimes without Ashanti. Shanti is nice to have around. She's fun, but a lot of times she tends to be bossy and thinks she's in charge. So sometimes you get that peace and quiet when you're alone. And I like being alone sometimes to get that peace and quiet, and that's what I got this week. You're probably thinking this is probably my first time camping without her. It's not. I did camp without her before in the past. I tent camped without her before in the past, in which I did enjoy, but she ended up crashing that. She did not crash us this time while we was camping. When I said we, I did go out there to camp with some other people. So big shout out to the Roaches, big shout out to the Nolans, and big shout out to Brian and Heidi. I have to thank who all was there. So big shout out. I really enjoyed you guys' company. So what I'm about to do is unload the RV and get it ready start this week getting it ready to take that big trip. Here go our boat. We have not taken this boat out. We only took this boat out once this summer. Last summer we took it out twice. So I took all the stuff off for winter. I guess I'm gonna have to re-winterize it. I need to come out here and clean it up. So we bought this boat 3 years ago and have not been using it. Now, so if we was to trade this boat in the RV in, we can get whatever we want. We can get an A-class. I would like to give a big shout out to Hoover for sending me this drone. Guys, this drone here, I used the entire video. It wasn't my DJI drone, it was this drone here. So if you like the footage, the aerial footage, it all came from this drone. I mean, this is a nice selfie drone that anybody can use. You don't need a remote. All you need is your hand. So let me show you some, guys. So I have been enjoying this drone. It's like a little toy, but it's so easy to work. So check this out.
Continue. Follow.
I'm gonna put it right here. So now I got a cameraman. This drone will follow me no matter where I go. So I'm walking around my truck to the other side. Guess who's back there? Hey, buddy. So that's my cameraman. You can hear it in the back. So all the shots that you have seen in this video come from this drone, all the aerial shots. So it does a good job when following. I can start running, it would keep up with me. There it goes. That wasn't very fast. So I have been enjoying this drone. Anybody can get it. Anybody can work it. Very easy to work. Flies off your hands. And it has, check it out. I'm looking at you, you're looking at me. All you gotta do if you want it back, stick out your hand. Just that easy. The link will be in the description box. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. And for those that have been on this channel for a while and rocking with us, thank you. And guys, on that note, Bandits out.